I have loved the sort of community feel to Winnipeg. It definitely punches above its weight with a lot going on. So there's that sort of ownership of being in Winnipeg and making the most of it. And that's sort of my lasting impression is probably of the people.
For me, I would say Manitoba is a great place to live. The cost of living is very, very affordable. And any new entrepreneur and new business will find it much easier to succeed. Diageo is a world leader in beverage manufacturing. We have great brands like Johnny Walker, Captain Morgan, Baileys, Guinness. In Manitoba, we have a site that is about 360 acres. We have about 52 warehouses, warehousing about 1.5 million barrels. There are a lot of good things in Manitoba that encourage new entrepreneurs or new business owners to set up. Multiculturalism is a great way of growth and community development, which is also in line with our diversity and inclusion in Diageo. It's a great promise to establish a new business, and all the necessary support structure are there.
In Canada, Babcock looks after the submarine fleet on behalf of DND. In Winnipeg, we operate the aerial water bombers that support the whole province, and we also operate 3 air ambulance aircraft out of Winnipeg. We've decided to place the aviation headquarters here because it's centrally located. It's going to be the centre of mass for future expansion opportunities. And it's got a great network of aerospace businesses that are already here, a good supply chain, a good talent of people. And so we've made the conscious decision for this hangar and the facility that we're in today to be the headquarters of our aviation business in Canada. I've also been really impressed with the sort of vocational, apprenticeship, post-secondary sort of throughput and push that Winnipeg and Manitoba are driving. We've got CV students, we've got apprentices working in the facility to be able to mould them to what we want as a engineer working on aircraft, as project managers working on programs.
We have a young and agile workforce, and also there are a lot of apprenticeship programs that are happening in Manitoba that keep developing this new generation of workforce. We also have 2 strong universities in Manitoba here, University of Manitoba and the University of Winnipeg, which are doing an amazing job in creating this future workforce for the Manitoba communities.
What I've been really pleased by is how welcoming the city has been, how proactive the city has been to make introductions, make sure I'm linked with industry, make sure I'm linked with government and other organisations to maximise what we can get out of Winnipeg and Manitoba.